Okay, when it comes to cleaning the house,
Okay,
and
not sure what you mean by cleaning.
no, cleaning up. Would you rather you be the only one at home, or have other people there?
It depends on if I know where things go and how loud I can play my music.
There's reasons as to why you should clean alone.
Okay.
Number one, no one gets in your way.
No one gets in your way.
Vacuuming can annoy people.
You're right.
Scrubbing down toilets can annoy people. If,
Yeah.
I gotta
Maybe
go. Troy's in
one person
there.
is working really slow and you start getting annoyed. Like, go faster.
Yeah. You can make use of all the space.
Yeah.
No one's in the way.
Okay.
No one's sitting on the couch you want to clean right now.
And you can play your music really loud and they're
Yeah,
not going to yell at you.
make it a dance party.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
I love to make cleaning a little bit fun, even if it's just rubbing down the counters or something.
You can set your own cleanliness expectations.
Yeah, that's why I said, imagine you're cleaning with someone, they're taking forever to just wash the counters, they get done, and you're like, seriously? That's the best you could do?
You can rearrange and get rid of things.
You can throw things out, and you're like, no one's going to miss this.
And they don't.
Otherwise, you ask your kids, does anybody know what this is? I'm going to throw it away. No, that's my favorite toy.
You can take however long you need.
Okay.
Take all day.
I have all day. That's
Nobody's
my schedule.
there. Yeah.
Stop for a coffee break.
You control the products you use and how much.
Oh, okay. Hadn't thought about that one. You're talking about like Lysol and other sprays you might use to wash
Yeah,
down
there's
stuff.
some like certain kinds, and some love the bleach and all that.
okay,
you know.
okay.
You can enjoy the fruits of your labor first. So when it's all clean
Yeah,
and all done.
Nothing like a clean house. I
yeah.
suggest cleaning it, going to the grocery store, going somewhere, coming back home. When you walk in the door to a clean house, fantastic feeling.
And lastly, you can clean it in your underwear.
Oh, I
Or
didn't
naked if you
think
want
about
to.
that one, but
You can.
sure, to each their own.
Take your shirt off and clean.
Why not?
No one's there
Use
anyway.
this as a rag, this old thing.
More info on the 9 reasons why it can be better to clean by yourself right now. YesFM.com, YesFM Facebook, and Twitter page.